In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block background noises during meetings on Zoom. If you've ever had a meeting derailed by a barking dog, keyboard clatter, or street noise, this quick tweak will make a big difference. We'll use a built-in zoom option that focuses on your voice and filters out the rest, so you sound clear even in busy places. Start by opening your Zoom meeting and looking to the lower left corner of the Zoom window. You'll see the microphone icon you normally use to mute and unmute. Right beside it is a small arrow. Instead of clicking the mic itself, click that little arrow. It opens a compact menu of audio options that control how Zoom handles your microphone, and it's the fastest way to reach the setting we need without digging through multiple screens. In that menu, look for the option labeled Personalized Audio Isolation and click it. When you select this, Zoom prioritizes your speech while actively suppressing environmental sounds like fans, typing, traffic, or chatter a few feet away. You might notice your voice becomes more prominent and consistent, even if your surroundings aren't ideal. Think of it as telling Zoom, "Listen closely to me and ignore everything else." If your version of Zoom shows a brief note or confirmation, that's normal. It's just enabling the isolation profile for your voice. If you want more context, open your audio settings and read the brief description attached to this feature. Zoom specifically explains that personalized audio isolation is designed for crowded or noisy environments. That means coffee shops, open offices, airports, or a busy home are exactly where it shines. By honing in on the sound characteristics of your voice, it reduces the hum, hiss, and unpredictable background bursts that would otherwise distract your audience. A couple of practical tips will help you get the best results without changing any additional settings. Speak toward your microphone and keep a steady distance. This makes it easier for Zoom to lock onto your voice. Avoid covering your laptop's mic with your hand or a case, and try not to swivel too far away while talking. Also, remember that isolation works best when you are the primary speaker. It may intentionally lower sounds that aren't your voice, including nearby people or music, which is perfect for focus, but not ideal if you're trying to share ambient audio. That's it. Click the arrow beside your mic, choose Personalized Audio Isolation, and know that it's optimized for crowded spaces. With this enabled, your meetings will sound clearer, your message will carry better, and background noise won't steal the spotlight.